This video will explain why the recent approval of an exchange-traded fund ETF for Bitcoin and Ethereum in Hong Kong is a huge deal and how it will impact the markets generally and the Shiba Inu market in particular. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own SHIB tokens. What, then, has recently transpired with Shiba Inu coins? Are there any updates on the Hong Kong ETF? What effect will this have on the Shiba Inu's worth? In today's video, I'll address these concerns and fill you in on all the recent news that has increased the value of Shiba Inu. I want you to know that I have invested a lot of time and effort on this video so that you won't miss a thing. There will be a changeover to a second channel for the SHIB news shortly. Watch the video that was linked in the comment and description, and make sure to subscribe to that channel so you can get notifications when new videos are uploaded. However, before we delve into our subject, how about we check over the Shiba price chart for April 15th? Today, the price of Shiba Inu is approximately 2,220 units. The price of SHIB has increased by 1.8% in the past 24 hours, and there was $1.1 billion worth of activity in that time. With a market cap of more than $13.1 billion, the token is now the 13th most valuable cryptocurrency. This video does not constitute financial advice, and the prices shown may have changed by the time you view it. Remember to follow us on Twitter as well. We're planning some huge prizes there shortly, so if you want a shot at winning thousands of dollars, it's as simple as following me. We can begin today's video now. With the approval of the first Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF applications in 2024, Hong Kong joined the ranks of other regions to do so, following the SEC historic approval of 11-spot Bitcoin ETF in the US. Although the US has already approved an 11-spot Bitcoin ETF, the US has not yet approved an Ethereum ETF. However, some analysts are predicting that the US would approve a spot Ethereum ETF later this year. As intended, Hong Kong is a crypto hub. Notably, Hong Kong is now one of several nations that have authorized Bitcoin and Ethereum spot exchange-traded funds. The cryptocurrency market has taken a favorable turn with the acceptance of 3 local issuers by local regulators. The first spot Bitcoin and Ether exchange-traded fund ETF was conditionally approved by the Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission on April 15th, according to Reuters. Several offshore Chinese asset managers, including Harvest Fund Management, Basra Asset Management, and China Asset Management's Hong Kong units, are gearing up to launch spot Bitcoin and Ether ETFs soon. Not only that, but this video released to Twitter by Box Mining shows that advertising for these ETF has already started. Many of you have been inquiring about Bitcoin exchange-traded funds in the Hong Kong area. Here you may see it. Currently in Hong Kong, there is a massive Bitcoin advertisement promoting the upcoming ETF. Ultimately, when these ETFs debut, they rely on individuals to purchase, so naturally, there's a lot of buzz about this. With an ever-increasing number of advertisements and media coverage, Hong Kong is vying to become the Web3 hub. Because of the high population density in this financial center, we should expect to witness more of this. The most recent events have provided a substantial boost to the cryptocurrency sector. While Ether's 6% spike was far more substantial, Bitcoin's 4% increase was still noticeable. When this was written, the value of one token was $66,232 and the other $3,253. The crypto market was precipitously falling following the news from Iran, thus this bullish news arrived at a crucial moment. Yet, what effects does this have on Shiba Inu? Well, it's no secret that the Shiba Inu pumping of 350% in February and March was greatly aided by the ETF's approval in the US. The Hong Kong ETF differs from the others in that it has authorized an Ethereum ETF, which is a major development because Shiba Inu is an Ethereum chain project and Shibarium is a layer 2 chain constructed on top of Ethereum. This bodes well for the cryptocurrency market as a whole, and in particular for Shiba Inu and other Ethereum-based projects since it raises the prospect of an Ethereum ETF being authorized in the United States. Please, if you are still here, hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything and does wonders for the channel's financial stability. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inu and where the currency could go from here, you'll have to see the show. The 570% increase in SHIB whale activity has put the Shiba Inu at 0.001 price in jeopardy. A new and unexpected trend has surfaced in the Shiba Inu community as the cryptocurrency market deals with massive losses. The unprecedented flurry of activity by large holders, also known as whales, suggests careful preparation for future gains and strategic thinking. Regardless of the 12% price decline of SHIB and the overall market turbulence, this increase in whale activity begs the issue of why they are doing it and how it could affect SHIB's price. Into the block data shows that the number of Shiba Inu big holders has increased by an astounding 570%. These addresses had 404.81 billion SHIB on April 11th, but by April 12th, that amount had exploded to 2.66 trillion SHIB. It appears that whales are buying SHIB tokens in large quantities, maybe in preparation for a market shift or some other strategic move. The spike in high transaction activity for Shiba Inu occurred at the same time as the influx of new large holders. Large transactions totaling 8.63 trillion SHIB caused a 276% increase in activity within 24 hours. A staggering $212.56 million is the equivalent in currency terms. Institutional investors, sometimes known as whales, are likely to be more active when there is a spike in large transactions. The sudden uptick in activity by major holders could be explained by a number of possible factors, including SHIB whale behavior. Whales may be taking advantage of the market correction to buy SHIB at a bargain. This calculated action by whales shows their optimism that SHIB's price will soon recover, giving it a significant boost to the much sought-after $0.001. Also, whales may put their tokens in cold storage for the future, hoping that their value will rise. Amidst the wider market upheaval, the timing of this rise in whale activity stands out. Due to the widespread fear of losing money, many cryptocurrencies, including SHIB, took a major hit in both the traditional and digital markets. The increase in whale activity, however, indicates that these huge holdings are unfazed by the ups and downs of the market and are instead planning for the future. Market attitude and price impact. SHIB's price has shown remarkable resilience in the face of the market slump. After the 12% decline, SHIB made a small comeback. The fact that it has held up so well and the increase in whale activity may be signs that big holders are still confident. Even though the market is still quite unpredictable, these whales' clever movements suggest that SHIB's price will go up in the future. The ex-trader Rec Capital has forecasted that the Shiba market cap will reach levels not witnessed since the beginning of 2022. Rec Capital predicts a triple-digit price increase for the meme coin should it overcome its present resistance level. Crypto content producer Jake Gagging was also optimistic, saying that writing off Shiba altogether might be a huge error. This video's primary plot is about to begin now. New Shibarium team member Shiba aims for apex cryptocurrency. New Shibarium's Shiba is causing a stir in the lightning-fast cryptocurrency industry with grand ambitions to corner the market. The crew is resolute in their goal to take Shibarium to the top, guided by Lucy, the project's marketing specialist. They are unfazed by obstacles. The community was rallied by Lucy's recent tweet, which highlighted Shibarium's steadfast determination to succeed. Shibarium is alert and prepared to adjust in the face of regulatory changes, like as the forthcoming legalization of a spot cryptocurrency ETF in Hong Kong. Daily transactions for the project also increased dramatically, reaching 288,690, a 5,027% rise from the previous week. Rapid network expansion has propelled Shibarium to the forefront of decentralized money, with over 414 million transactions and 1.4 million associated wallets. Shibarium exemplifies the resiliency of the cryptocurrency field as it remains stable notwithstanding market volatility. Shibarium is determined to get to the top with the help of its committed workforce and expanding community. A new crypto market powerhouse, Shiba, is part of Shibarium. With an unfaltering dedication to achievement, the Shiba Inu Shibarium team has risen to prominence in the volatile world of cryptocurrency, where everything may change in an instant. Lucy recently used Twitter to rally the community behind Shibarium and its mission to become the dominant cryptocurrency. She is the official marketing specialist for the Shiba Inu team, a picture of success. Lucy's tweet, which conveyed a message of resolute determination, struck a chord with the Shiba Inu community. As the Shibarium chant goes, no matter who comes or leaves, we will reach the top. Lucy summed up the team's resolute goal of success, no matter what obstacles they face. Like a team driven by purpose and passion, we won't stop, Lucy declared.